Appreciate it. We'd like to do a song about one of our favorite states right now. This is called Texas. Not too far away from here, out with the cows and the Lone Star beer, where the living and loving is quite all right with me. Where they call it Texas, it's a mighty fine place to be. Runs from Texarkana to El Paso and Oklahoma out to Old Mexico, and there's Houston, Dallas, Dallas, San Antonio. People in Texas sure do make me feel at home. Just want everybody to leave them alone while they drink their whiskey and roll their own, and they like their music with a little bit of southern sound. Kick up the hills every evening when the sun goes down. And you call them country and they don't care, and if you don't like the way they wear their hair, you take your lights and shove on up the line. 'Cause people in Texas don't care if the sun don't shine.